Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I share my experiences and journey with you regarding crocheting and knitting. You can follow along by hitting that subscribe and like button. Today we will be making these very easy puff stitch flowers. Let's start. You will be needing two colors, one for the center and one for the main flower. I'll be using this green for the center. You will start by making a slip knot and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Join first and last stitch with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and make 5 single crochets in this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I have crocheted above my tail end as well, so that I don't have too many tails to weave in later on. Also, if you want 6 petals in your flower, then you will make 6 single crochet. I only want 5, so that's why I have made 5. Join with the first single crochet, not the chain. Now chain 2, and now in each of these single crochets we will be making 2 half double. So this chain 2 is my first half double, and in the same place I will make one more. Now I want to get total 10 half double. So in each stitch I will be making 2 half doubles, and this is your second round. We are doing 2 rounds to get some kind of height and width of our center. After making sure that you have 10 stitches, you will join with the first chain 2, the slip stitch, and cut your yarn. This is the center of our flower. Let's start the main color. Join anywhere in the circle. I have picked up 2 loops of my double crochet and made a loop of my main color. Pull this loop, make the first stitch using both loops in order to secure them. And make 3 loop chains. Now we will start our puff stitch. To make puff stitch, wrap yarn like you do for double crochet, and in the same stitch that I have made my 3 chains, you will go back and pick up a loop. That's one time. Again wrap yarn, go back in the same space, pick up a loop. You will do it for total 5 times and try to give it a height, and you will have to put in some kind of effort to secure, keep them safe, your loops. Wrap yarn, and this is going to be a 3rd time, 4th, and this is 5th time. Now wrap yarn again and go in the next stitch. So these puffs are made over 2 stitches, and again you will do it 5 times. I have done 2 times, and this is my 3rd time, 4th, and this is 5th. So you can see that I have made this stitch in 2 stitches. Now wrap yarn again and pass it through all of them. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain is for the picot. In this loop I'll make my slip stitch and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And in the same stitch I will make a slip stitch to anchor it. Then I'll go and make slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 3, and in the next stitch I'll start making my puff stitch. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the next stitch 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Your picot stitch and chain 3, in this way you will complete this round. I am just about to finish my last stitch. I'm going to make it chain 3 for the picot, 1, 2 and 3. Now I have used again a bit medium weight yarn, medium to lightweight yarn to make my flower, and after making the picot I have made chain 3 and I will join with the first chain 3. Let's cut our yarn. So as I was saying, I have used a medium to lightweight yarn for the video because it comes out better in the camera, and I have also used 1 number or rather 2 number, at least 1 number down crochet hook, because this also gives a totally different effect. If you are using size appropriate crochet hooks, you will get different effect, and if you are using a smaller hook, you will get different effect. So you can experiment and see which one you like better. but of course if you are using smaller hooks you will get more compact object result. So we will weave in the ends by burying our tails in these double crochets. Just push and pull a bit to bring things into their place, and this is it. You can see this was originally a very light baby pink shade which is not coming out well in the video, and it has 6 petals. This bright red is coming out really well, and this lilac. So I hope you will have fun making these puff stitch flowers and use them on your sweaters, cardigans, blankets. Have fun making them, and do let me know your experience of making this beautiful soft flower, and I'll see you next time. Take care.